Good morning, Mr. Medina. Hey, I'm going to talk something about myself. Okay, my name is Ivan Orlando Guarin Ayala. I am 34 years old. I am from Bogota, but currently I am living here in Neiva Huila. I am mechanics industrial, and currently I am studying industrial engineering. I course the seventh semester in this titulation. Um, okay, I have a long experience working in different areas like completion, drilling, and workover of wells. I have been working in the hydrocarbon sector for more than 15 years here in Colombia and in other countries around the world. For this reason, I have a lot of experience. I have different strengths that make me suitable for this position to which I am experienced. I could be a key for the organization. I consider it this. I enjoy working in a team environment and I get along well with people. In my past, in my past work experience, I implemented a system to help to organize communications between my coworkers to enhance our productivity as a team. I like to share my knowledge with others to achieve the goals set in the company. I have a long history working with personnel in chairs and supervisor and technical support leader in well completion and leading and opening new markets as well as advising clients and drilling and workover operation. As leader, I like to be an impartial person who values the capacities of others. I am very disciplined and responsible person, and it is something that I like the people who work with me to do as well. Um, I always like up to date with the sharp technological trends in the industry. In this order to be constantly updated. And in the long terms, I am very interested in being able to complete my professional training as an engineer and be able to lead projects focused on renewable energies. In this way, to have an independent company that contributes to this sector. In the labor area, for my experience, I always like to contribute to a continuous improvement of the process in which I am involved, as well as to propose a new business line also. Okay, is no more for me. Thank you.